Bacon, I'm giving you your content creator right now.
Yo, bet. Thank you.
What about me?
Here,
Yeah, you too.
I'm recording right now, by the way, if that's okay.
Yo, guys,
I'ma beat you. I'ma beat you.
And you're in the vents won't work.
I'ma beat
just
you, bro.
message
I'ma
me
beat you.
And I'll fix it, okay? Guys, if the vents
Okay.
never work,
I'ma
just
beat you, bro.
message
I'ma
me
beat
and
you.
I'll fix it.
No, bro, he's beating me. No, he's gonna beat me.
Yep. Good. Let's go.
Yo, guys, chat, I'll be right back. Just when I tell you to restart your game,
Wait.
but not yet.
What?
One,
Oh.
1, 2.
Which one is it?
Have fun down there. Oh shoot.
Okay, hold on, I'm giving y'all.
No!
10 seconds.
It begins with just one note.
I'm dying.
What's your name? Dark. Yo, Dark and Biscuit. If you see someone with this, it's the owners. Only the owners have this.
Oh, okay, so if it's somebody that's
By the
not
way,
you,
bro,
it's
bro,
definitely.
You need to add a.
I am so schmexy. Candy can. It's so small, bro. I love it.
Yo, Bacon.
Yeah?
I'll race you up there. No, I'm beating you. No.
No!
Goo goo gaga.
Yo,
Come on, I'm not even trying,
Blake
Bacon.
has loaded.
I am, bro.
Come on, Bacon. It's not that hard.
Yo, Bacon, you also have a really good chance of getting.
It's not, but the glass part, the glass bridge part is.
It's so hard, bro.
Yeah, I can do it. I don't know which one.
Follow me.
I know it's. No, wait. I fell. Can't let y'all see my house, so oh shoot. I fell through the map.
Nah, bro, this is my moderator stick. This is my moderator
I got it! Chat.
Guys, restart your game, and you should have it.
I got it! I have it!
Just restart your game.
I got it! Trey!
Bro,
Thank
you
you!
got it! Yay!
Yes!
No, congrats, man. Hey, bro, can you actually promote the game so we can get like the game?
Yeah, so like, is this like the moderator stick? Right over here. What's in here?
Okay, this is mod vents. You're not a mod yet. You can just go in here, but you got your content creator. I'll give you your role in the Discord here.
Yeah. Yeah, guys, you should install this game on itch.io. It's called Project Made Taggers. Install it, or else I'm going to explode a bomb on your house.
Yo, what's up? I'm
his words, not mine. The owners. I wonder how people are going to react whenever I have this on, and there's like tons more people inside here.
Yeah, like the game will be launching on App Lab one day.
Back. My thing was being.
Look what I got.
Do you have
I got it. Here, come look. Look.
Oh my god, I still don't have access to it, bro.
Oh, then restart your game.
Psych!
Sometimes
I
it-
lied.
Yo, bro,
I'm a
how do you
moderator.
get in? How do you get in here, bro?
Hey, wait, can I test the key camera on you?
No,
haven't
I
tested
just restarted my game. You don't know how
Who
long
will
you take
test?
me
Who
to
will
restart.
let me test? Yo,
Yeah, guys.
Biscuit, can I
Yo,
test
buddy, I'm
the
getting kicked from the server.
Yo,
Get out.
Can I
Install-
test the key camera on you? Can I?
Haha,
I haven't tested it yet.
I bet you can't come in here.
Biscuit, if you, Biscuit, if you let me test it on you, I'll give you trail moderator.
Here, I
What
want
is
to do it. Chat. I actually got kicked. Wait. Dang it. I tested it after him. So does that mean I like get the stick, you know?
You don't have content creator badge. I'm better.
Install the game!
Because the reason why you don't get
Bye.
it yet is